Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set up Google Assistant in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just long press your home button and here it is Google Assistant. Click on get started and then you have to sign in to your Gmail ID first. Friends, you have to just long press your assistant, click on settings and here it is hey Google and voice match. You have to just make this, click on this and you have to agree all of this and say what is written on there. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? And you can see it is done. Now say okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. You can see it is captured my voice and now it is done. This is how you can set up your voice. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.